Hi, I'm Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or solve your current problem. Also, in the end of the video, I will give you a personal rune for your success and I will tell you how you can use it. Keep in mind, this is a general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. Now, what this reading is about? This reading is about the mental sphere of your life. Your ability to think clearly, your ability to clearly communicate your ideas to other people. So whatever relates to your ability to understand things and communicate those things to other people. Now, what do you actually want? There is a desire to have less people in your life, to distract on social things less than you are at this time. Perhaps to dedicate some time to yourself and to enjoy your solitude. This is a powerful message in itself. You are going away from the crowd, you are going in a different direction rather in which the crowd goes. You know, where there is a crowd of people, you will not find truth and power there. So you are actually looking for clarity, for truth and power. Now, how do you achieve what do you want? The Canis, rune of the fire and passion and inspiration, it's in a reversed position. So the advice for you is consistent. You need less extraversial energy and more introversial energy. Time to introspect, time to dedicate time to yourself, to your thoughts, to your feelings, to your planning of your future. And rely less on external circumstances, rely less on your emotional, rely less on your impulsivity, especially if it's related to other people. You will be able to understand who you are. The advice for you is the rune Thurisas, rune of a focused energy, rune of a focused effort, rune of assertion, rune of aggressive action. So this is the energy that blossoms when you laser focus on your goal and remove all distractions. So the general message for you is dedicate time to yourself, limit interactions with other people, try to focus on clarity of mind on the level of the mental sphere, and laser focus on yourself, laser focus on your goals and on planning your future. And not just laser focusing, but dedicating as much time as possible for these areas for some time, for at least a few days or for the next week. It should be a sprint of focused energy, of focused effort that will push you to the next level of your evolution, to the next step of whatever process you are going through right now. And also you can use this rune symbol directly by drawing it on your left side of your body or by visualizing it, the rune Thurisas. Thank you for your attention, wish you the best of luck.